Yeah, I don't think he sees us. So this one's broken, I think. Well, guys, our camera kind of cut off on us, and right now we're just looking. We heard a weird noise, but you know, cars. Keep this big light going. There we go. See better now with the cameras. I was not in charge of the camera earlier before I was my friend. I was in charge when we went to the small part though, because I fit there. Looks like just a big trail. You guys can't see, but there's a big light over there. That light in the corner lights up the whole place. Man, at least keep an eye behind us. Fucking know what the fuck's back there.
Well, I switch with a flashlight to them.
Yeah.
It doesn't go that far.
I'll just keep mine right here because this is a pretty good light for the camera. Ooh.
I'll keep mine in the back.
Oh, me? Oh shit, sorry man, I thought you meant Marcus.
Nah. That's a cut.
Damn. There's a giant fence. Oh, I don't know if we're coming to the end, but we looked at the trail. It was pretty cool. We'll probably see another map over again when we hit the end. We'll show you the whole length we've gone through.
And it's still in building, so it's not all of it yet.
Let's go down there.
Is that the HEB shit?
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. The water tower all the way in the background. Right there. Huh? I heard something right now. Apparently my friends or something. What a big bird. Sorry, man. Did you guys hold it through? Ooh. Hear people scream. It's probably just a party. Remember, guys, you see anything, tell us. Let's probably get out of here already. Come on.
They have to build the worst. They have to build a trail on one of the worst parts of Brownsville. What the fuck was that?
I
I
don't
think that was a rabbit.
Hopefully.
You can't say because it's too confident in that water tower.
Hey, okay. I didn't even hear it. Oh my god, animal hearing or something. Probably big rabbits in here. Ooh, cool sensory light. Amazing. Cuts off my light entirely. Except yours. Pretty good light. Didn't I just realize something? If something was following us, the light would get it before us. So if that big light goes on again, we better move.
I don't know what I'm more afraid of, the trail itself or that crack lady. Fuck.
Oh yeah, exactly. That's right. You guys didn't catch at the start, but at the start of this, there's a girl. She's yelling, kind of talking to herself, creepy as fuck. And well, we were here walking because we noticed there was a big thing here. No one ever comes, except people on bikes. And well, there's this fucking creepy. Yeah, it's nature walk too, man. So this creepy lady all of a sudden, it's like sees us, scares.
I think it's part of nature, bro.
Yeah. But no, this fucking creepy lady sees us and well, damn, dude, fucking creepy as shit. Starts talking to herself, and I'm covered in webs now. Shit. Yeah. Yeah. Looks like a little dirt trail. And look, you could stop right there, take a break, park your bikes. There's not.
Like imagine you just like, woo! I just can't break trail, bro. Like, I'll figure it out. Woo! Put your bike right there.
Yeah, so they're nice.
You chill. You see?
Pretty nice.
Throw you on back on.
Pretty weird at night, but you know, pretty good. Well, I'll catch you guys in a bit. We're gonna take a break and come back later. We're sitting down, eating, and well, I heard shit. Probably not the best place to eat. Take a break at night, but that light turned on again. It went in the way corner. And well, it's a sensory light, so not sure if you guys see anything, but there's nothing on that trail. It's pretty blurry.
Birds taunting each other.
Oh, sorry. I held the camera wrong, too. There we go. Turn the autofocus. Nothing really much over here. We'll get back to you guys later. Hello, guys. Reaching about the end of the part we're coming to. I'm getting up to the road where everything stops. And I'm not sure if there's a little, it's called, little map of where it is, but we'll check right now. How far did we walk? Like, damn. We should really check how far it is.
So that's 2 miles.
At most, right?
Yeah.
Because we crossed with China's plane. It's called, we started over there at Porter. Like right next to Porter, and right now,
No, there's nothing. There's less.
it's more road.
There's a
Damn.
stop.
Yeah, it's another stop right here.
The last one.
Bigger than the other ones.
Yeah, this one's
There's the last one.
hella huge. Okay.
Right now that I should go on.
Good. More bike parkings.
Go on. Damn it. Go on. Damn it.
Yeah, Central doesn't want to turn on there.
That photo over there?
Huh?
Photo?
No, that's not Porter.
Oh.
It's
What the
far.
fuck? There's 2 more?
Oh my god. You guys can't see, but this,
Liar.
this trail's huge. Like straight up, we have not even come close to it. Like we can't go that side. That side's pure plain. Like ferns, spikes over there. Probably snakes. Wouldn't know. But to the side of us, giant, you know,
Man-made canal.
yeah, man-made canal right there. Pretty big.
My room before you came.
Well, right now, let's get about, you know, a little bit more. I'll cut off for now. We'll come back when something happens. Well, hello, guys. Yeah, well, there was a lot more. We're reaching about right now the road. This is the part where me and my friends agreed on to stop recording and stop walking because, god damn. We walked about, what, 3 miles? And there's still another one, I guess.
Oh, you there?
Is that? I think that's, no, that's the end of a bridge over there.
That's right.
No, that's the rest of the
That's
trail.
the other part of the trail.
Oh, yeah.
Just to Castillo.
Yeah, man. Oh, my God. It
Oh,
goes
you like
farther.
in here.
Yeah, right there. There's a bridge. Cool.
See how far my flash can go?
Fuck yeah.
Come cool like that?
Yeah, holy shit.
Watch. You see that? You see the sign? The green sign?
Shit. Oh, shit. Check it off. On. Off. Oh, shit. Nice, nice.
Come cool like that.
Yeah, sure, whatever. Get the best flashlight in here. And yeah, oh my god, cool. Well, we finished the part. You don't get to see another map. Probably take a picture of it later. But damn, did we walk far. And there's a party over there, so you know what? People don't like it when we record them. Goodbye. Have fun. It's been crazy, bros, and we're out.